Crochet Strawberry Applique Tutorial, easy and beginner-friendly. Make a magic ring. Chain 2 times. Make 12 double crochet, then slip stitch. Pull to make it tight. Half double crochet on the same stitch with slip stitch. 4 times double crochet on the same stitch. Then do half double crochet, and then single crochet on the same stitch. 2 times single crochet. Half double crochet, then double crochet on the next stitch. Chain 1. Double crochet, then half double crochet on the same stitch. Two times single crochet. Single crochet and then half double crochet on the same stitch. 4 times double crochet on the same stitch. Half double crochet. Slip stitch, then cut the yarn. Start from the 3rd loop from middle, do slip stitch. Two times slip stitch. Chain 4 times. Start from 2nd chain from hook. Do 3 times slip stitch. Two times slip stitch. Chain 4 times, then slip stitch. Repeat chain 4 times, then slip stitch until finish. Cut and hide the yarn. Add seed using white yarn. Then tie to secure. Cut and hide the yarn.